If you're planning to build a house, stop scrolling and watch this video first.
In a beautiful house, there are many things that needs to be made, but not many people tell you what exactly goes in those renovation work. It's not only with regards to your money, but also the stress that comes in, and that needs to be addressed.
So, in today's video, we are going to tell you 7 things nobody warns you about before building a house. So, talking about budget, initially when we started the construction, we had a certain amount in our mind, but honestly,
We didn't stick to it. नहीं होता है वो. Gradually, with time, that budget
shifts.
shifts and shifts
And
a lot.
those small amounts eventually turn into lakhs.
Correct.
At least in our case, that happened. What happened was, like, to give you all an example, we started with our kitchen work first, and we planned our modular kitchen. We put the mica, we set the trolleys, आणि मग mica लावल्यावरती we thought that, you know what, we can upgrade the tiles. Like, it was not like it was not looking good, but we just thought that
We could do it
since
better.
हाँ अपन करते हैं तो let's change the tiles also, because we also had that
That
thought
was not
कि
in our
अब
plans. Yeah.
अभी कर रहे हैं तो अच्छे से
अच्छे से
करेंगे.
करेंगे.
So then we changed the tiles. Actually पहिला आम्ही ते सगळे ट्रॉलीज आणि लॉफ्ट्स काढले. Then we put back, we changed the tiles. So of course our budget shifted. आणि असं करत करत there are plenty of things जिथे upgrade करते करते at least we didn't stick to the budget. The second thing was about the lights. When we went to choose the lights, first we thought we'll stick to the normal ceiling lights, they असे square, rectangular or circle shape मध्ये येतात.
Correct.
So we had that in our mind, and they cost minimal, something like, we could even put 30 pieces of it in our living room. But when we went to the shop, we got to know there is a variety of ceiling lights.
So I'll tell you this. So basically, we were of the opinion that we will just have these normal lights that we have always seen. But I don't know. Others might be connecting or not with it. But it's just like there are so many things out in the market which we are unaware of.
Correct.
So the moment we entered the shop, when we told him कि हम लोग को ऐसा ऐसा lights चाहिए, भैया like sir ये सब थोड़ा थोड़ा outdated वाला आ रहा है. तो आपको अगर अपग्रेड करो थोड़ा जो रिसेंट वाला है वो ट्राई कर लो देख लो आप. एंड व्हेन ही शोड अस ऑल दोस थिंग्स वी वर लाइक कंप्लीटली अमेज्ड. आई एम लाइक whoa, I didn't know anything of that sort is there.
And when we saw that, honestly, we thought that okay, we can afford it, but आमचा बजेट हल्ला. That was not something जे आमच्या बजेट मध्ये होतं. When we initially planned, we thought that we'll construct a very basic house
that we have always seen,
yeah,
that we have always connected to. But let's be honest, with every generation you need to upgrade your the house.
yeah.
So we don't. So
And it did
after
not
seeing that,
it did not stop only with the lights,
Lights.
because we chose a certain different type of down lights, that's what it's called. And then came in the electrical gateway and
The
the
fans.
remotes
the
and the
fans.
fans. And then हे सगळं बघून आम्ही पण थोडं carried away झालो. And then we
Of
thought
course.
ki we'll start installing Alexa in everything
Everything,
that in
correct.
all the appliances. आणि मग that is how it was basically.
And that's how
you all got the
everything
story.
changed,
Yeah. So budget is something we should definitely think about.
So to end with, always keep 15 to 20% extra with regards to your budget. For example, if
last
you have
minute-
if you have kept in 50,000 as your budget, do not keep 50,000. Keep at least
75.
75. 15 बोला तो
60 होता है, बट शीज तो ज्यादा ही बोल
माइक ही उड़ गया.
अरे ये भी
सच बोल दिया. ओके.
तो पीछे आ, तो पीछे.
So to conclude, always keep 10 to 15% extra to what you have decided on your budget.
For last
example,
minute
yeah.
surprises.
For example, 50,000 is what you are expecting a budget to be. Don't expect that. Expect it to be between 60 to 65,000. That's what we are trying to say here.
So we thought in the month of April, by Easter, we will shift to our new house.
But right now we are in the month of June, and I don't think we are still gonna move this month. So delays do take place, and you need to be aware and prepared for the same. We'll tell you why we had delays in our scenario. First and foremost, the hottest topic that was, you can say, plaguing the
Shortage.
entire country was with regards to the shortage of LPG. What happened in this case is our workers started panicking and they left for their native place thinking that if there's going to be shortage of LPG, then there'll be lockdown, there'll be no food for us to eat, and that is why they all ran back to their native place. So that delay cost us a lot. And of course, with the scenario in the Middle East, many things delayed. As you all know, petrol prices also increased for that matters, and because of that our work delayed a lot. And it's still now it's come back on track, but
But also because of this, like ideally first we had like for example five set of workers, but because of this issue not all the five
all
came
fell
back,
back.
only three came back.
Yeah,
So that
three also hitting on
also
the higher end.
the
Yeah,
manpower reduced and that
correct,
also led to some delays.
correct.
The other issues that we had because that led to delays were sometimes there was no availability of the materials,
Materials, correct,
and one delay led to other things that were lined up. So
correct.
they also बोलता ना that effect, the domino effect,
Domino
because of
effect
one thing the other five
led
things
to
were
all.
delayed.
Correct,
For
correct.
example, we were not finding a certain color of sun mica for a very long time, and things were ready, but because of that we could not start with our painting.
Mm.
So because of our because mica was not available, painting nahi suru zali, and so on.
We had the delays.
Expect delays so that y'all feel less stressful. Honestly, we did not. I was very stressed and still I am, because I didn't expect की ते एवढं delay होईल, but had I been prepared before एवढं stress नसता आला आणि मी ह्याचं डोकं कमी खाल्लं असतं. When we started our house, we knew exactly what we are doing. We, in fact, made a lot of, images in our digital apps and drawings and all of that. When we saw things on Instagram or Pinterest, we were quite sure that these are our ideas and this is exactly how our living room should look. This is exactly how our bedroom should look. But then reality hit us. Things that we see in the phones are quite different from the spaces which we
Correct,
have,
correct.
आणि ते डिझाईन्स आम्हाला ॲडजस्ट करावं लागले, थोडंफार मॉडिफाय करायला लागले, अँड दॅट लेड टू लाईक it was not like a copy paste version of what exactly we saw on the internet. We had to modify everything in our own ways, and of course it's turned out beautiful. It is turning out beautiful, but yeah, those Pinteresty things that we saw, everything could not turn into reality.
So to conclude, design in your actual spaces is way different than what you have in your mobile phones. So there is a huge difference. So please think accordingly.
This is Rit's favorite topic.
Yes, it is.
So Instagram made things beautiful for us,
Not us, you.
but in reality,
It gave us a reality check.
yes, we need storage places. आपल्याला खूप गोष्टी
But you
ठेवायला,
were focusing more on aesthetics.
yeah, we had to eventually plan. We need to know where our suitcases will be, where the Christmas tree will go, where will we keep all our mops and all of that. So aesthetically, all these things no one shows us on the internet.
Correct.
In a living in those dedicated spaces, it's not like no one shows. They do show up with an idea, but when you visit a sample flat, just tell me, do you ever see all these things put up anywhere? No, you do
you
not.
don't.
So that is why when you plan your aesthetics, you don't keep all these things in mind.
And storage is important because, see, your vision for a house is for 10 years minimum. It should not be for 2 years and okay, we'll see what to do. Because spending lakhs of amount, that's like an investment, and an investment benefits around for 10 years. So make sure that you have enough of storage, not for your perspective of now. Now, for example, we three are a family, okay? In future, you never know what the scenario is. We can extend to 4, 5, 6, whatever be the scenario. We need to keep in mind those storage places as well. Where will those clothes come in? where will those toys come in, whatever be the scenario. So always make sure you have enough of space, and also to keep your utensils. Baby has a lot of utensils, and you need to have a lot of space for that. And
Yeah.
utensils for different things, by the way. Sausage के लिए अलग, then egg के लिए अलग, then chapati के
Dosa
लिए
के लिए
अलग,
अलग.
dosa के लिए अलग. So you can understand the criteria in regards to storage.
So don't, basically, to conclude with, do not focus only on aesthetics. Plan your house based on your storage and your living style.
Correct.
One thing we wish we spent more time planning is the electrical setup. We did a lot of mistakes there.
Yeah. So the thing is, we had randomly gone to a place, okay, and we purchased a painting. Now we got this painting home.
And we decided the wall, and since
Correct.
it's a very big painting,
Correct.
we knew कि हे एक
It will
certain
fit in
selected
this, yeah,
wall
wall पे हो
होता.
जाएगा. But then once we were imagining that the painting is gonna be here, but there was something below it, towards the side. We had a, electrical board,
Along with our digital bell,
bell,
which is
correct.
given from our society, and we cannot change
Change
its
it.
position.
So then we had to rethink everything about it, and luckily enough we got a solution to that. There was no doubt about it.
Yeah.
But it had been an extra work because we had to take off those entirety and then drill somewhere else. And if you
And
know,
by the way, our POP was already made, so we had
correct,
to drill everything through our POP and
and
shift
get that
our
work done. And
electrical.
as you all know, electricals are always concealed, so you can't keep on breaking them, putting them, and all that. You always have to do that beforehand. So whatever you're planning to do with regards to your electrical part, please make sure that is the first thing that you keep in mind. With time, gradually कर सकते हो changes, but it will come at a cost. As told you earlier, it will increase your budget.
The one thing we also did was, in our passage we have tiles,
Correct.
and
And that was the first thing that we did. And
we
then
forgot to put a switchboard for our router.
router. So now you understand the pain of going through that drilling thing
Now
and
there's
cutting.
no way we
Now
are
there's no
going
way you
to
can't
cut
do it.
the tiles and
Tiles
conceal
again.
it,
You're going to
because
do it
that is
somewhere
going
else.
to again cost us a
A
bomb
lot
price
of amount. So
and
now,
damage to the tiles as well.
correct.
So
So
of
now we are
course,
planning to shift that somewhere else, so that you will come to know in future where all we have put it.
yes.
But again, please take a note of all of those things. Minute things we forget, and that's the problem.
So to conclude, you think about your electrical needs as per your future needs. तुम्हाला जसा raw flat भेटतो, don't just depend on that,
Correct.
because you are using the house. You very well know where you're going to be seated, where you need your work from
Correct.
home setup, where you need the charging points and all of that. So spend some extra time in thinking about the electrical setup. This one is relatable and everyone wants to help. This corner is not good. Ha paint चांगला नाही वाटत है. You could have done better with the tiles. But
Opinions are good, but remember, you will be living in that house and not them. So please take care of it. You know what's best for you and for your family. You know what you want. You know how your future is going to look like. Yeah, I'm not saying don't listen to those opinions. It's okay. You listen and you analyze, but don't follow them blindly just because they are saying it, or just because they are important, or you need to respect them and that's why you're supposed to follow. No, do it according to your convenience. That is what I wanted to tell.
you do things that you like. Even if someone gives you any advices, you take them into consideration, but don't be disheartened once you're done with the work. If people come up with their opinions, you don't be disheartened, because there was a vision you had and hence you have done that. So be proud of yourself, enjoy.
And it's okay if they don't
Like it.
huh? Remember that it's okay.
It's okay, you liked it, that's why it's lying in your house. It's
That's why
your
it's your
house.
house. No, yeah, correct.
Yes. If you're waiting for the right time to start, you will end up waiting forever. Building a house needs a lot of planning, permissions, finances, resources, etc. So start as early as you can, at least in our case.
So I'll tell you. In our case, what happened was we booked a contractor and everything was done. and this is with regards to the grill work. Okay, and permission was taken with regard to the society that we are installing our grills and everything, but we stay in a township, so we didn't know that you're supposed to even take permissions for this at the main gate.
Yes.
So when those grills came in, they were stopped at the main gate. They're like, we don't have permission, we have not been intimated, kuch nahi bola hai, so we can't let this enter. And that's when there was a delay of 1 day. So with all these regards, please be informed that you have to take your necessary permissions, even if it's whatever township or your society for that matter. Keep them informed, because society also will tell you what are the timings. You can't do your renovation work anytime and any day. There are timings for it, there are days to work and get to know all that knowledge. If you're going on a Sunday and starting the work, they will definitely stop you, because Sundays are not allowed to do work in any society. So please get that in your mind.
Also, whatever emails need to be sent, whatever permission needs to be taken, do it beforehand. At least in our case, we started everything in October, but had we known about all this before, we would have done it maybe in September.
September something, correct.
So that also, kind of delays a little.
So I hope you guys will keep in mind all these points before you start your renovation work. And remember, house is not about these bricks and cements. They are about a lot more than this.
Beautiful memories which you're going to be creating in that house with your loved ones and family members. So don't let all these things affect you.
Correct.
Don't take the stress, don't take the load. Be happy that you're building your dream house. Tell us in the comments what is your greatest fear while building this house, and do subscribe to our channel.
And ignore all the unwanted things, just like I'm ignoring my hair in this entire video.
Okay, we'll see you in the next one. Bye.